Okay, let's go. We are doing it. Boom, boom. Okay, so we have the animation here. That's the animation. We can make more. Let's change the frames to. You think 100? 100 will be alright. And then make a thing go to make a keyframe thingy 30. Select the camera and go G. And it's so hard. And then get it right at the angle you're on. No, control it. G. G. R, Z. R, Y. And R, X. Now let's check the camera. Oh, that's bad. Oh, no, that's bad. And then RY. Yep. RX. RY. X. Finally! And then once you're satisfied with your thingy, press I. Location and rotation. Let's test it out. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. That's epic. Okay, I want to do a few changes, I guess. So let's go to the shading. Ooh, as you can see. So I want this one, as you can see here. So this, I don't want this. I actually do want the stone brick one. Just delete it. Wait. I need to get out of. Okay, so I'll get my things, the things I need. So I'll go to. So go. You can use colors, but I'll use a texture. Search. You go to search up. So you can use the same website I'm using. I know. What marshmallow? I don't know why that's there. Wait, what are we looking for? Oh yes, stone brick. Oh wait, what? Oh, stone brick. And then you can find a free one. Where's the free one? I need a free one. Yes, this one. I've downloaded it. Why is that 4K? I thought downloaded it at 3K. Wow. No, we don't do that. No. No. Why is the ambient included? No. Where's the roughness? Wait. There's no roughness. Okay. Okay, nice. And then you get your folder. Go to downloads. Stone bricks. Wait, 10 minutes. Normal. Okay, this is normal. We need a normal. So just drag it to where I want. Snowbricks flat. Yeah, Snowbricks. Okay, that's what we need. And then we can go out. Blind by the stone bricks. Delete. Oh, I just downloaded it. Delete. And I just. And then what you want to do is you can actually use this. Desktop. No. Okay, never mind. That's not. I don't like using that. I'll just go to the place I'm looking for. Omar, I know this is a bit of a hassle. Just please. Hold on. Normal! Yay! We got the normal. 10 bricks. Wait, is it actually like going in? Is it because of this? Wait, I'll just delete these. And then I'll let this. Oh yeah, now. The normal. Okay. Can minimize it. Okay, so this is the stone bricks. Okay, this is normal. Okay. Color goes to that. Nice. Non-color, because we're not going to use this for color, so that's good. Color goes to, is it, don't we use like a normal, yeah, we need a normal mode, pretty sure, like a normal mode? I don't know, just do that. Roughness, maybe we can change that. Yeah. Oh yes. If you put the roughness down, you can kind of see the outline, like this kind of roughness. Like you'd see. Yeah, there is a little bit of roughness. So I guess we can. Let's change the roughness a bit. And then we can check this. Wait. Select this second plus material. Yeah. I'm gonna assign this so we're gonna do like. No. I don't want this. Yes. Okay. Okay. I was just testing this out. Okay. And for this, we want a base color of like blue for like sky. Alright, we want it all the way up. Nice. And then why do we need the roughness for the sky? I don't know why we need that. And then we can change this. I actually don't want this to be here. I find I actually don't like it, so let's change it here. And then we can like G here. Z facing that. G like that. G here. And instead of area, we can change to sun because it's gonna be like from like daylight, and we're gonna just do 1500. That's a bit dark. Isn't it? Bruh. We need it to be on the opposite side. We need to kind of rotate this, so it's RZ. And then G this. And then RX. Face it down. Then RY. Face it down. Now point area. RZ. Oh, that's nice. That's a bit nice, actually. Isn't this about denoise? I forgot to turn on denoise. So as you can see, if you press denoise, it if you click on the stone bricks, The rafters doesn't look good. So let's put it a bit up. Because with the shininess on it. We want like it to be sharp. Okay. I think that's good. If we check in the denoise settings, that's what's happening. Automatic, yeah, maybe. Advanced, brush, light paths. Oh, what does that do? I don't know. Just keep it like that. I'm just trying to make it like. Oh, where's that? I need no. I think no. Go to this and then go to. Wait, it should be here. Isn't there like some color management? Filmic standard. Ooh, standard doesn't really let. Filmic looks better. Oh no, that's not okay. That's not okay. Nope. I think Filmic is okay. But we can take a step further. Not me, but and we can put this G dun 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 dun. Wow! Now that's what I call man ball. Let's check it out. It's a bit glitchy, like right here, but when you finally put them all together, it's epic. Nice. Oh, yeah. Let's do it in this mode. Wait. So it's on 30. If we move it to 35. Okay, now we can do the really. So I mounted it to this. Ah! So that one, okay. We can, yeah, for my 29, I don't know, is it 30? I think 29 is okay. Oh, wait, let me just check this. Okay, I guess it's fine. And, yep, we're all right. Okay, are you ready to do this? Okay, you can save this at. So I already made a file. A. Huh? And then we. You keep on cutting me out of the video.
What video you are making? You are making a video? Which one? Okay. Turn that light off and then go out. I'm not working.
This.
But how long do you need?
It's almost done.
That's right.
Okay, and then what you have to do is so you save it. Plant frames. I already made a thing file for it. Accept. And press render animation. To be continued.